Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a real quick way to warm up your complexion. So now that it's fall, I feel like I'm a little pale and pasty sometimes. And the things that I did in the summertime to warm up my skin really don't look right now that, I'm a lot lighter. So I'm going to mix in the lightest bronzer that we have, which is Tan Lines, and it's a cream bronzer. And instead of putting it on top like I would have done maybe in the summertime, I'm mixing it in with my highlight or foundation, my main color. So my main shade is Candlelit, and I'm going to just put some dots on my face, all over. A little bit on my forehead. And now I'm gonna take that Tan Lines and add a couple dots of that. So this one is lighter and it doesn't look, out of place with the rest of my skin. And for some reason, I just really like blending it in with my foundation instead of putting it on top. I just feel that I get an overall nice warm glow. So I'm going to take my Buffy brush and blend that in. And there's so many different ways you can apply this makeup, and you really can't go wrong. It blends so quickly and easily, and most people can get away with wearing a few different colors as long as they're in your range. So if you're transitioning from your summer color to your winter color, it's very easy to do. Okay, so there's my main foundation, which is a mix of Candlelit and the Tan Lines. And I just like the very subtle, warm glow it gives me. I'm gonna hurry up and put the rest of my makeup on. So I'll do my brightening highlight, my contour, my blush, lips, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I'm all done, and I still have my winter look, my lighter skin, but yet it's nice and warm and a little bit glowy, and I really like how this turned out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you. If you need me to pick colors for you, I have a color match form in the link in my Instagram bio, or you can message me on Facebook. And I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.